Welcome back. This is DieCast Street League. We are here in Rock City. It is a beautiful 82-degree day, great for racing. All right, we got head-to-head battles going on. First car to 4 victories. It's the first car that's holding all that money and bragging rights. Let's get to these cars though. 2010 Ford Shelby GT 500. '69 Pontiac GTO. Those are the cars for today's race. It's gonna be a head-to-head battle, Pontiac versus Ford. Okay, we going the first car that gets 4 wins all the money and the bragging rights. Let's go. GT's in first place, got passed by the GTO. Nolan Shelby got the lead back. Oh my God, it's a good one. They got a 10.48 time. Whoa, that is a lap record. Welcome back. Man, that was a great first race. The GTO and the Shelby were doing battle. Coming into the second turn, the GTO managed to get the lead slightly, but coming out of that turn, the Shelby got the lead. The GTO was drafting him all the way down, trying to get the position back. Challenged right at the end, but could not get around the Shelby and all that horsepower. All right, it's 1-0 Shelby. Let's go. GTO got passed up again by that Shelby. You better get his action going. That Shelby's out. He ain't pulling around with you. It's about to cross. We are back. Man, that was a crazy race. I'm talking about that was one of the craziest passes I ever seen on DieCast racing, regular racing, Two Turtles racing. I don't care. Okay, the Shelby had this one in the bag, so far gone. He could have stopped at the 7-Eleven, got a Slurpee, got back in the car, burnt rubber, and still took the first place victory. How did he lose? He had this one in the bag, coming out of the last turn. The GTO got a good groove coming out of that last turn, blew past him, doing about 175. Shelby's in the lead. The GTO must got a better tuner because he's neck and neck on his heels. Shelby's in the lead. The GTO must got a better tuner because he's neck and neck on his heels. No, he did not. The Shelby got a 10.55 time. Oh my God. He got a 10 double nickel. We are back. Man, that was another banging race. This race series is going crazy. These head-to-head competitions are stupid right now. The Shelby led this one all the way from the light drop to the last turn. The GTO was on his heels like a chihuahua trying to defend his home from a robber. The GTO must got a better tool. Could not get around that Shelby and all that horsepower. The GTO was running good, but the Shelby is running better right now. Let's go. Can you catch the Shelby? GTO always got a better start coming out of that first turn. Now it's a dog fight. Get past that Shelby. Always got a better start. Get past that Shelby. We are back. Man, that was another good one in the books. The GTO had the lead coming out of the first turn, but the Shelby passed that man up going over the bridge, and the GTO was trying to get that first place back ever since that pass. Okay, he was drafting that Shelby all the way down. I thought he had a shot at it at the end, but couldn't get around that Shelby and all that horsepower on the big end. Let's go. Shelby's in first place. The GT is on his heels. Coming out of his last turn. Oh my God, the GTO passed up that Shelby with a 10.96 time. Oh my God. The GTO finally got a tune that is running with this Shelby, and we got a race. Back at the top to chop it all up. We are back. Man, these two cars are going crazy right now. Okay, the Shelby had this one from the first to the last turn. All he had to do was cross the line like he's been doing all day long. Okay, out of the last turn, it must have been a stumble or something. It wasn't a big one, but it was enough for that GTO to capitalize and pass the Shelby up nasty for the first place position. Coming out of his last turn, oh my God, the GTO passed. GTO got passed up by that Shelby once again. He better get his life together. Coming out of the start, from off into the last turn. Oh my God, the GTO did it and passed that Shelby with a 10.71 time. We will have another race. Oh my God, the GTO. We are back at the top of the canyon. Man, this is the story of the little engine that could. I'm telling you, the GTO has been down all race long. He managed to get a couple wins when he needed it just to stay alive. Okay, in dramatic fashion at that. The GT500 had this race once again in the bag. He led from the first to the last turn. He must have stumbled just ever so slightly. I didn't even notice it. The GTO drove around that man once again 2 times in a row for the first place position. Right when he needed a lifesaver, he got it. He got a good tune in and he's running. The GT500 better do something, because the GTO has his number right now. Let's go. The Shelby's in first place coming out of the first turn. The GTO is on his heels. Coming out of Shark's mouth. Can he hold that GTO off? He will. He got a 9.92 time. Oh my God. Look at it right there. You see it. That is the best time you've ever seen on this track. My God, that Shelby is the car to beat. As of right now, I've never seen a score close to that. The GT500 won those head-to-head race series. He's been running like a champ all day long. He will take the money and all the bragging rights that comes along with it. Thanks for watching DieCast Street League. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit the old bell. Only if you want to. Let's go!